Hello students, wish you all a very good morning. I am your math teacher Iskiran. Welcome you all back to the another session of math online classes. Students, today I have brought a topic in front of you, the percentage. I hope in previous session we all have learned about the percentage. So it is another session of percentage. So be careful and check out the textbook, notebook and get ready. See students, in percentage already in previous session, if students anybody have not seen the previous video or previous session, just go on YouTube or just go on the school apps and check from there. And please watch first that, then after you learn it. Okay? So see students, now topic is that to convert a percentage into a fraction. To convert a percentage into a fraction. In this topic it said supposed to be any questions given in percentage and how it will convert into fraction. So let's see. First of all, what we will do in order to convert. First of all, we divide by 100. What the percentage is given? It will divide by 100. And then after, what I have to do? Remove the percentage sign. Let's see. Few examples are given: 35%, 85%. Any examples you can take. Okay. Just I have took few examples. So how it can be solved? 35%. So what is given? In order to convert, we divide by 100. So 35 by 100. It's okay. Then after and remove the percentage sign. Now we have already removed percentage sign. Okay, students. Now see 35 by 100. Now it is possible to in the simplest form, it means it can be reduced in the lowest term. So 5 is in the 35, 5, 20 is 100. So what is the lowest term? 7 by 20. It will be the answer. Students, one very important thing is that be careful that answer always come in the lowest term. Okay, in lowest term it means after that no other terms can be present regarding on behalf of any term. Okay, so 7 by 20. See the next term is 20%. 20% at the same way what we have did in the previous. So first of all 20 by 100. Okay, divide by 100 and remove the percentage sign as we have did in the first question. So see 1010 cancel. You know when the number of zeros will be reduced. Okay, so what will happen? The term will be the lowest term, and that will help you to reduce very easily. So 2 1 2, 2 5 10. It means what will be the answer? 1 by 5. It is the lowest term, simplest term. Okay. Same way, see the other questions. 85%, 85 by 100. Simple we can do. Once again, it is 5 or it is 0. 0 or 5 always, at least 5 always will divide by 5. So 570 is the 85 or 520 is the, it means the term will be 70 by 20. One more question is there. So I expect from you all that you can do. And one more students, one more thing just I inform you. As the chapters will be over, that at the end of this chapter, not this chapter, I will try for the every chapter. So at the end of the chapter, we will organize a live session. Are you getting my points? We will organize a live session for you all. Okay. And I request to everyone of the standard 7 students, I request to everyone that please be present on that day. And I will already inform days or 2 days before that on which particular day or which particular day the live session will be held. Okay, will be organized. So it's my humble request if you will be on the live session, so that what thing will be there. It is positivity for me as well as you too, so that I can come to know at how many students are very attentive towards the classes. Number first. Number second, what the problems you have, what the problems you are facing to understand through the videos. Okay, so that will interact face to face. Okay, students. That's why I have thought that I will organize a live session for you all at the end of this chapter. Every chapter, okay? What the things will be there? That will be the live session 40 to 45 minutes, and that will help us to coordinate two is together. To coordinate two is together on via Zoom meet. zooming. Okay, students. So be attentive and be pre-decided and be planned yourself accordingly, because after percentage that we will discuss profit or loss, and then after we will discuss about simple interest. It means two more sessions are there after percentage. About percentage, today the today is the last session, and in next session I will discuss about profit or loss, and then after we will discuss simple interest. Okay, students. So then after simple interest, it means after percentage two sessions are there, and then after one more sessions for the live session, where we will coordinate to each together, we will coordinate with each other, we will interact with each other, and what the problems are there. Interaction, it means not we will discuss any other things. No, we will discuss only and only problems, what the topics already I have discussed, and that topics where you have the problem. Okay, students. So before that, what you have to do, that you have to do, make the list where you have the problems. Okay, where you are facing the problems, just listed out the points where I have to discuss. And students, one more complaint from everyone, that if I am doing the something for you, then it's also your responsibility, not duty, it's a responsibility to reply it. Good. So please send your work. It's very important. It's mandatory, so that I can come to know that whether you people are taking interest and you are doing well. Okay, students. Your positivity helps the teacher to work harder than hardest, for you all. So it's my humble request. Please send your homework details. So students. In the second topic, what we will discuss, one more questions are there. It's your responsibility that you should do. Okay. Now 56% are there. What you have to do? Simple. Just convert, divide by 100, and then after remove the percentage sign, and then after reduce the lowest term. Okay. See the next term, percentage as a ratio. Now what the thing is that percentage as a ratio. Okay, students. Already in ratio we have discussed that ratio can be write in the form of fraction. Okay, but here are percentage. How the percentage can be written in the form of ratio? So simple. Don't get worry about it. How to write simple percentage? It means you can remove 100. You can remove a percentage by divide by 100. So simple. It can be expressed as a ratio with its second term 100. What's this? Second term will be 100. Now it's question from where we will get 100. How it can be expressed? And first term equal to the given percentage, and first term given to the equal of percentage. So suppose 12.5% are there. Simple. Remove the percentage sign, 12.5, and put 100. What I said? Second term 100. Now it's, as we will remove the percentage sign, we will put 100. Okay, students. Now see, the thing is that here it is 12.5. What can we do? This point must be removed. So for removing, we will multiply by 10. Why we multiply by 10? Because here after point only one decimal are there. Only one decimal numbers are there. So that we will multiply by 10. What the answer will be there? That answer will be there 125 into 10 by 1000. Okay, students. See what will happen? 1010 cancel. 5 to the 10 5 over 25. 5 for the 20, 5 5 the 25. It means 5 by 4. Now students, think this fraction can be write in the form of ratio 5:4 or not. Already you are discussed in the previous session. This fraction can be write in the form of ratio or not. Definitely or absolutely we can write. Okay. So 12.5% what we have did? First of all we have to remove the percentage, and after removing what we will do? We will divide by 100. If decimals are there, just multiply by a decimal number. Okay. Then after reducing the lowest term. What the answer will be there? The lowest term that to write in the form of ratio. So that this question says percentage as a ratio. So you have learned how to write in the percentage into the ratio. So see the 2 to 5%. One more question are the 2 to 5%. So 2 to 5%, how it can be 2 to 5%? How it can be written? The ratio Simple, nothing you should do by 100. Okay, just remove the percentage sign and divide by 100. What other thing will be there? 5, 5, 4, 5, 5. 5 4 ja 5. It means 9 by 4, or it can be write as the ratio 9 ratio 4. Are you getting my point, students? So I hope that you people are getting very nicely and you are getting you are understanding well. So what the last questions are there? Now it's your turn to do. Okay, 85% simple. Remove the percentage sign and then after divide by 100 and then convert into the lowest term. As you will convert it into the lowest term, then after that fraction coming back in the form of ratio. Okay, sir? So I hope that you people have understood very well. So see, next term is to convert a given ratio into percentage. To convert a given ratio. So see, right now percentage is the given and we have to convert it into the ratio. But right now ratio is given and percentage has to be converted. Okay. So what we will do? Simple. We will do the opposite. What we have did in the previous lesson. Simple. 11 point. This one is there. Convert into fraction and multiply by 100. Convert into the fraction and multiply by 100. Here we have divided. Here we will multiply. So 1 by 125 into 100. Okay. It is a percentage sign. Multiply by 100. Simple. We can 5 to 10. 5 to this one. 5. What will be there? 4 by 5%. Now you can divide and then after you can also put the decimal. You can see 5 8 is 40, 5 is 40, 5 is 40, 88.8%. Okay, students. When you will divide, then the answer will be come to this. Okay, sir. Next question. 14 raised to 25. Then 14 raised to 25. What you will do? Simple. Convert it to the fraction first. Multiply by the 100 and put the percentage sign. Simple. 25 for the 100. 14 for the 56. 56%. Okay, students. So I hope that you are getting well. So on the next step, we will discuss to convert a given percentage in decimal form. Now, what we have seen, percentage into ratio into percentage. Okay, and also fraction into percentage into fraction. Now we discuss what to convert percentage into decimal. So what we will do? Convert into fraction. What we have to do? Convert into fraction. Then 36 by 100. Then put into decimal form. Okay. As we will divide by 100, then the divide sign will be removed. It will be eliminate. So now what will be done? 36 by 100. Now is it easy to put the decimal? As we have discussed in the decimal when we were discussed the decimal chapter, we have discussed what? How many number of zeros are there? 2. So before 2 digits, put the decimal. Okay? Put the decimal. It's very simple and it's very easy. How to put the decimal? See the number of zeros in the denominator and just count the number from right to left and put the decimal. See 0.25%. 0.25% means what will happen? 0.25 by 100 in the respect of percentage, but here it will be multiplied by 100 by because in the decimal form there are 2 digits into 100. Okay, what will happen? 25 by 10,000. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros. How many digits? 2 digits. 25, 1, 2. It is a decimal form. Okay, students. So in that way, what you have to do? Simple in decimal, multiply by the number of, and for the decimal part, okay, decimal number, and then after divide. Division is very simple. So one more question after 135%. Now it's your turn to do. See the next step, next term, to convert a given decimal into a percentage. What right now we have did? it was already given in the percentage and we converted into decimal, but now decimal is given and converted into the percentage. So what we will do? Multiply the given decimal by 100. Given decimal by 100. So 0.008 into 100. Okay, students? And put sign percentage. And put sign percentage. Okay? See, when this will be multiplied, what the terms will be there? It is 3 digits and it is 2 0. So when the multiply will be there, it will be reduced from here. And what the answer will be there? 0.8%. 7 0.36. So 0.36 into 100. It is percentage. How many 0? 2 0. This will help eliminate and it will be the 36%. It is the answer. So students, it's all about the percentage and two more topics are there. So wait for it.